Please subscribe and click the bell notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Guys, today's Miyake. Today I'll be showing you how to make a paper airplane, as you guys can see, and also subscribe me. Thank you. And guys, here are the things you'll be needing: A4 sheet and a ruler if needed. Now I'm going to show you how to make it. First, you have to fold it like this. I'm going to show you. Folding it to make a crease. Fold it like this as shown in the video. Then take it like this. Then you need to take one part of this and make it like a right angle triangle. I'll show you. Like this. Your creases should be perfect. That will give the best result. Like this. And you have to take it and repeat the same on the other side. Wait a second. To do it perfectly. And then to do it again like this. Then you have to take it like this and take the opposite side and fold it like this, which this and this gets allied. Do it as shown in the video. And then crease it up nicely. Then take it this side. And then you hold it on the middle and do it like this, and it comes. And this is the first part. Now we need to make this into half. Fold this into half like this. As you guys can see, let's fold it into half. If you guys need, please make sure you use a ruler. Wait a minute, I'll just make it creasy. I'll just crease it more. And there, I got it. Now keep this aside. Take this, fold it to this crease. As you can see, there's a crease over here. Take this piece and fold it like this again. Keep it like this. Then fold this in like this into half. As you can see over here, and then wait a minute now. And then you need to take that piece which you fold, like this is the piece, and then take it like this and make a mark like this, a small mark. And then you need to fold this like this, and you need to make it some more long a bit, and you need to make it like this. Take it like this. Then again this side also like this. Please do as how I'm showing in the video. And then this side also like this. Take it like this, then just keep it like this and keep it like this. and fold it inside, and on the other side also. Show it for you guys, and then you need to fold this like this, and here this is the tail of the airplane, as you can see. Now keep this aside and take your airplane and then fold it like this, and the other side also, and then do it like this. Take this thing and do it again like this to get a crease, to get this crease, and do it on the other side also. Now open both again. Now we need to take one side and just from this, and you fold it like this, crease it, then take the behind part, then open it like this, then take the behind part like this and also crease it like the opposite side. Then you have to take this both like this and like this, then take it like this together. You have to make it like this, it should form like this. Then you have to press it firm with the finger. Now I'll do this side and I'll be back with you. And guys, I have did this side also. As you can see, both are same. Just make it like this. As you can see, both are same. Then you need to take this, then turn it to the side, turn it the other way, and keep it like this and pull this part back. And then you need to fold like this, fold it like this, not the way, other way. You have to fold it like this. Then you have to fold it the other way. Now you have to make the wing. For that you need to keep it like this and crease it over here. Then do this other side also. Do the same in the other side. The both should be aligned properly. Then we need to make the wing. Make it like this. And again the other side, same on the other side. It should be accurate. And now guys, you have the body. As you can see, this is the body. Then now we have to get the tail, which we did before. This is the tail. You take the body, you take the tail, you insert the tail into the body like this. Open this platform over here. Open this platform over here, as you can see. Put this in. So you can see this and this should align properly. And then you need to fold it like this. And guys, the paper airplane is ready. And guys, please make sure you subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.